of this statement, I would say firstly that we know that corruption is directly proportional to the degradation of a country. So through this, I would include a fact that according to the report published by Transparency International, that in 2019 the rank of India was 80th. In 2021 it was 85th, and in 2024 it is 93rd. Then see the trend. If this will be the situation, then our country which is now developing and who is to be a developed country, then what will be the situation of different sectors? So to remove this, we should first start from the mindset. As you know that corruption is just circumstantial, then there should be several circumstances. But we can see that there are so many bureaucrats who have proved that not circumstances matter. They have seen several transfers like Ashok Khimka. We know very well about the integrity he holds and the number of transfers he holds. But he remains like a hardcore and steady kind of strong support, and shows that corruption is just a mindset. And there are so many things we can see that according to the rank there are several countries who regularly comes in first, like Denmark, Finland. See their education system, see their development, their infrastructure, and see on another side, see Somalia, South Sudan, where the countries are degrading nowadays. Then we can see that corruption is not just as they are coming regularly first. That means the people are that much confident, that much conscious about their development. So it is a cognitive psychocognitive effect which is in the mind of a human being. We should focus on that. We should give ethical values, and we should focus that they should be more conscious about that. And I would now like to quote here. According to the founder of Transparency International, Victor Agent, he says that people should be conscious that they can change the corruption system. So the people means we should work on their mind. We should work on their mind, and we know that brain should be superpower through which a human being accordingly function his or her work. So mind should be pure, clear, and development. So we should work on the mindset, and we should not blame on circumstances which is there. Thank you. Have a nice day.